Signs of lung disease can include extreme fatigue that may often be underestimated. According to a study, symptoms of lung disease tend to come on slowly and can be very mild. People often mistake what they experience for signs of aging or physical unfitness. This causes many people with signs of lung disease to simply adjust their daily activities, without seeking medical help. In the end, ignorance is life-threatening. So, it is important to know information about the symptoms of lung disease. What are the signs of lung disease? Here are the symptoms of lung disease that must be considered. 1. Fatigue. This is one of the most common signs of lung disease. 2. Shortness of breath. Another common symptom of lung disease. It is a natural response that your body needs more oxygen and energy when you are doing something that requires physical effort. 3. Persistent cough. This condition is more than just a health issue. A persistent cough can disrupt your sleep and make you feel tired. 4. Weight loss. Weight loss can be a sign of respiratory disease, particularly severe chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 5. Wheezing. This symptom is usually heard when you exhale. It is caused by narrowed or inflamed airways. 6. Chest infection or a lung infection. Infected airways can be a sign you have lung disease. If the infection occurs in the smaller air sacs in the lungs, alveoli, it is called pneumonia. If it's in the larger airways, bronchi, it's called bronchitis. 7. Increased mucus production. Mucus or phlegm is produced by the airways as a defense against infection. Allergens or irritants. More mucus or pus clogging the airways will make it difficult for you to breathe. 8. Coughing up blood. Coughing is accompanied by the discharge of blood-tinged mucus. This indicates a health problem that should be checked by a doctor immediately. 9. Chronic chest pain. A symptom associated with many conditions that should always be taken seriously, especially if it lasts for a month or more and if it gets worse when you breathe or cough. What is the danger of fatigue in lung disease? Fatigue in lung disease signs is extreme fatigue that cannot be recovered by rest alone. Fatigue is a condition of daily lack of energy, lethargy, brain fog, weakness, and heaviness, and does not go away with just sleep. Fatigue in people with lung disease can be long-lasting and severe. Chronic lung diseases, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, can cause extreme fatigue as the body works harder to achieve basic body functions. For example, it requires more energy to breathe compared to those without lung disease. Feeling tired can interfere with your ability to perform daily tasks, such as cooking, getting dressed, or enjoying enjoyable activities in your life. Over time, chronic fatigue can affect both physical and mental health. So, these signs of lung disease cannot be underestimated.